Hi everybody, it's Ron Frey with Empower Network. Yesterday I wrote a short blog on marketing and blogging and doing videos, and today I want to talk about that a little bit and ask you the question, how are you doing your marketing? Basically, in my mind, if you're doing work on the internet, marketing any kind of product, 80% of your success is really going to be determined by the way you market your product. Now, there's a few things that are really required. Number one, you need to have a quality product. That's a given. And you need to provide value to your customers, your audience, or your list. And the other thing you have to do is you've got to get in front of your audience. Without doing that, you don't have a prayer. I mean, there's probably thousands of people out there marketing similar products or even the same product that you're trying to market. So your big goal in life, so to speak, is get in front of your audience. Now, the way you're going to do that is either twofold. You're going to either market your website by means of search engine optimization, trying to get ranked on Google, on the front page, above the fold, so that people will see you first and hopefully go to your product and your website. Now, if you don't do that, the other option is to go to a mailing list, send out emails, and get in front of your audience that way. But regardless of how you do it, the two big tools right now today are doing videos and blogging. Both of them are going to get you recognition and get you in front of your audience. And what I like to do, honestly, is do a blog, take that content, and then send it out to my particular subscribing list. Kind of cuts down the work, you're kind of dovetailing your time and getting a big bang for your buck. So, a couple tips that I would like to suggest is, number one, when you're starting, don't try to use all the social media and all the tools out there. I mean, there's just too many of them, whether it be Twitter, StumbleUpon, Facebook, YouTube, what have you. Focus on 3 or 4 that you're familiar with, get used to doing them, and do them on a regular basis. You need to be consistent. The people that you're trying to keep involved in your list, or your subscribers, your followers, they're looking for consistency from you. So you need to do it regularly. And if you get spread out too thin, you're just not going to do it. I know, I've been there. So I would suggest highly, pick 3, maybe 4, get a routine going, and just work that daily, at least 3, hopefully 5, 6 times a week. You could even do it twice a day, 5 times a week. You need to stay in touch with your audience. The other thing I would say is definitely what you want to do is get a user-friendly platform for blogging. There's a lot of them out there. Some are free. They're just cumbersome. And if you're spending more time working on your blog site than you are writing, that's a problem. The idea is to write and get it out there regularly. Sorry, I'm having a hard time with that word. But anyway, that's the name of the game. Use something that is really user-friendly so you can do it consistently and without spending a lot of time. The other thing would be do videos. Here I am, not a movie star by any means, but the videos are very easy to do. You don't need to spend a lot of time. My mentors have told me, don't worry about editing every word. If it's not perfect, run it. Your followers, your subscribers, they will understand. They're just going to get to know you. They're not hung up on that kind of stuff. So, do the videos, lighten up, just let it roll, and if you make a mistake, it's okay. Just go ahead and put it out there. Then the other thing is, obviously, and I know you've all heard it, but provide value. Look, you can't pitch every time you send something out. You're just going to run people off. So provide some value, whether it be a recipe, a how-to, something on tech, a little tip, some information. Just throw out some value that will keep your audience interested in following you and listening to what you have to say. I know you've got a product you're proud of and you want to get out there, but you got to provide value. You really have to. Otherwise you're running people off. And then the last thing is be yourself. Like I said, I'm no movie star. I'm here trying to do and practice what I preach. This video is just something that I'm throwing together. It's really kind of off the cuff, and what I do want to do though as one last step is show you how simple the process can be with the right platform. Obviously I'm with Empower Network, and I'm going to show you our blogging platform and how simple it is to do a blog, put this video on that blog, and send it out there. And you know, it's really not going to take a whole lot more time than it did for me to do this video. So stay with me. I'm going to take this upstairs to my computer, show you the website, and we're going to put this thing out there on the website, on the internet. Thank you. So give me a minute. We'll be right back. Thanks. Okay, here we are. I've already logged into my Empower Network blogging site. There's a screenshot of it. And I'm just going to show you the basic steps for putting a blog on the internet in just a few short moments. Now, the first thing we're going to do is go to my activity feed, and it is going to bring up this window here, and on the blue bar above there are 4 selections. You can either do a text blog, an audio, something with pictures, or a video. I'm going to add the video in. That's what I'm trying to show you at this point. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to put in a title, and I'm just going to put in video blog to make it simple. And I've already done the text. I did that on a Word document. That's what I like to do. So I'm going to copy and paste that. I like to do that in case for some reason the website times out and I don't lose all the text that I've just written. So we're going to paste it. And there we go. It's in there now. So then the next step would be add the video. I'm going to go to YouTube where I put my videos. I'm just going to click on one of them. Let me open up my page here. All right, here's an older video I've done. So I'm going to edit it. I'm going to click on share. It's going to ask me if I want to do embedded. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to copy. I'm going to get out of there and go back to adding my video, and I'm going to paste. and then I'm going to add it, and there it is. My video is in the blog with the text, and there's just a few more steps and then we're online. You click publish. It's going to ask a couple questions. I'm going to pick public blog. Then it's going to ask me which blog, and I just select Empower Network, and then it already plugs in some meta title tags, and then here's a slot for keywords. Viral blog, and then we'll just type something in here real quick. Then it's a matter of clicking publish, and it's a done deal. Should be a done deal. I must have missed something. Oh, I forgot a field there. It's a business blog. All right, so now let's try it again. All right, so now there we go. It's showing that it's done. Now I'm going to go back to viewing my blog. And here it is. My pretty little face, pink shirt, my blog message, and it's done. And now what I would do, as I said earlier, is I would go out and transfer this stuff to my Aweber account or GetResponse and get it out to my subscribers and my team. So there it is, folks. It's just that simple. That couldn't have took much more than 4 or 5 minutes, and it's a done deal. So anyway, if you'd like some more information, just go ahead, go to my blog, and there's information there, some buttons you can click on, and we can tell you more about it. ronfrey.empowernetwork.com. Thanks, and thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.